What's going on, HAMM fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever since watching this video. Welcome back to the channel, boys and girls. So today we have a package, as you can tell by the title of the video. It's been here for a couple weeks, possibly a month. Sorry, Boostauto. Much love to you guys. I'm sorry, so sorry. Been very, very busy trying to. First of all, the truck's been gone when I first received this package, and it was taking a lot longer than I expected to get it. Then I went to Florida for 2 weeks for training, as you heard in the last video. So then now it's the next day, and I'm installing these. So they also sent out a shirt, extra large for your thick boy right here. A nice koozie. Everybody loves those. And then everybody loves a nice jet tag. Oh, I didn't even see. That's sick. Has an American flag on it back. I like that. So today we are going to be installing and reviewing the 4 dual function switchback mirror light mod. Okay, so this right here is still going to eliminate it turning off at like, I think it's 5 or 15 mile an hour, something like that. So your mirror lights have running lights theoretically, and this right here is a much cleaner setup than doing the old paperclip mod or jumping in with a wire, and just kind of dangerous. And I don't know about you guys, but if you have a pride and joy that you dump a lot of your money in, hard-earned money, you don't want to burn it to the ground. Okay, so this right here, much more reasonable to do that with. Okay, and it's got heat shrink connections. I mean, all this is, you got your taps, nice 3-prong connections right there. So yeah, this looks really good. I'm assuming these are the resistors or something like that. So yeah, run signal ground. Okay, sweet. Yeah, so I'm gonna go outside to the truck, I'm gonna take you guys along, and we're gonna install this. But first, I gotta put my new shirt on. So, okay, so we got that done. This thing is clean. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Huge shout out. Does anybody else like pew-pews? Just me? Alright, so a few things to get started. We have a crimper, wire stripper, your butt connectors, and your new connectors. T-taps, and then you have your harness that's going to basically redirect the power to what you need to have these function as running lights. Alright, so first things first, you're going to come back here and you're going to take this trim off. Ugh. Just like that. Then you're going to unplug your harness. And then go get a razor blade, because you're going to need to be tapping into these wires right here. Alright, so once you go ahead and start skinning this wire back, be careful not to slice anything other than the black tape. Good sharp razor blade should help that. So go ahead and peel that off. I literally used this to cut a rope yesterday, so I probably should change the razor blade out. Do as I say, not as I do. Alright, so next you're going to be counting from top to left from this point of view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is going to be your green wire with a brown stripe. Your passenger side is going to be gray with a blue stripe, or blue with a gray stripe. And then all you're going to do, come down here, cut this. And then strip the ends. Oh. Alright, so now that you have your wire stripped, you're going to go ahead and take your module and then your wire. Snap those into place. And then you're going to have your input leads right here. And then you have the 2 input and output leads, 1 and 1. And then these right here are going to go to your ground, and then a power supply. And then these go to your T-taps, obviously. So if you can see that, I don't know if it'll focus. There's a big wire or metal bar in there that goes into your T-taps. So this single orange wire is going to go to your output. So this is going to be going towards your mirror. And then put this in your butt connector. I'm sure you guys know how butt connectors work. And then crimp that. And then you're going to repeat that step for the other side coming into the harness. So this would be your blue connector. All right, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and take this bottom left wire, go ahead and place one of our T-taps on there. Alright, snapped in, and then you're going to take your orange wire from the harness and go ahead and make sure that has good connection, just like that. Now we're going to find our ground, and this wire, I'm going to zoom in on everything so you guys can hopefully see pretty well, but this wire is going to be on the bottom left hand side, or bottom right hand, excuse me. The blue one was on the bottom left, and then we're going to do the same exact thing. We're going to do the T-tap, close it till it latches, and then we're going to add our black ground all the way in, just like so. And now reconnect, and you're done. I'm going to do the right side, go ahead and record all that, speed it all up for you guys, and then we'll get a nice little view out of this. Hopefully it looks pretty well. All right, moment of truth. Hopefully the truck don't burn down. Gotta turn your headlights on. Over here, you can see it a lot brighter. So with the headlights on, and at nighttime, you're gonna be able to tell a big difference. Huge shout out to Boost Auto. Thank you guys so much for sponsoring today's video. Can't wait to see what she looks like at nighttime now. I'm gonna go get some B-roll. Thank you so much, Boost Auto. I really appreciate the product. It's a great product, super easy install, and super easy, straightforward tutorial from your boy, HAMM. So, I'll catch you guys in the next one.
I need the ice and the cream. Kickin' shit, need a car, Billie Jean. Saying gang come with Glocks to the beans. I be high and I'm fine, I'm seen. Money bulging and buzz out of jeans. Man, I need me a fat ass squeeze. Hold a piggy, I'm sipping my lean. And baby, it is what it seems. I'm on a whole nother level for sure. MMA like I'm hitting them with elbows. They be snitching and bitching, I know that they told. They be breaking the code, man, it's all about the bro. But I'm not in the game, I can't fuck with the hoe. When I hop on the stage, they be ripping my clothes. We gon' fucking record